Hi, I'm Noe. I'm the controller for Lodi CML, a manufacturing site for Dunkin' Donuts, servicing over 400 stores in the greater New York area. At Dunkin', we rely heavily on our partnerships and continuous collaborations with our suppliers. Rondo has been the partner for us and Dunkin' all over the United States since 1968, and since 2018 with our Smart Donut line. We always aim for excellence in the quality of our product, and luckily we're able to do that with the great service and support from Rondo. Dunkin' has a long-lasting relationship with Rondo all over the US, and we're happy that Rondo's team goes far and beyond for us. Even at odd hours, Rondo is always there to support us. A key memory that I have is one time late at night we had an issue where one of the service techs was out on a date and he actually interrupted his date to come out and service our equipment. I remember it like it was yesterday when he pulled up in his Harley Davidson. It's really like what Lodi needs, Rondo has. Especially their preventive maintenance program is really key to our success. They make sure that our equipment is always up to date, minimizing any potential risk factors, like delays in production or quality issues. Their service technicians are multicultural and multilingual, just like ours, in which results in a better communication amongst each other. That is a huge plus for us and is more efficient and effective overall. They actually help us become way more independent. What we truly appreciate at Dunkin' is that Rondo really listens to our feedback. We're always being heard and understood by Rondo. I will say that the secret to our relationship is honesty. How we communicate to each other throughout all these years has proven to be a huge success. And of course, it doesn't hurt that the quality of the equipment is excellent.